just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping?
Teach your children about the value of respect, love, responsibility, action, materials, money, and the worthiness of affection.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself.
If I have a child one day, she or he will continue to finish my book. But after 8 years, I've realized that why I should wait my future child to fulfill my dreams if I can do it now.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too?
Hello guys, welcome back. So now we're here at farm. So we're just arrived. Hi guys, we're here. Look our background right now while drinking. Ha? Kape? No problem. Right now, they are just finished planting corn. Now they are asking coffee. So it will be coffee time. And me, I have here mint tea. So mint tea ito. Mm, sarap. Yes, guys. Ah,
It's like
di dah. Hi guys, good morning. We're here at the farm. It's 5 a.m. in the morning today. And look at that. Hey, hey, hi, good morning. So ayan, si Gianna, kakagising lang guys. At ito ang aking father. Father, hi Tay, good morning. Hi Tay, good morning. Oh, ayan, mag-iinit na po kami. So, dahil ano ba?
Dahil nag-a-adjust ako mag-inom ng coffee, binabawasan ko ang pag-consume ng coffee, guys. So 3 weeks na this week, or yeah, almost a month na nagbabawas ako ng coffee. Not like before. I drink coffee before 3 to 6 cups every day. But today sometimes one cup only. But I think in one week only 2 cups coffee, and mostly the tea. So this is the tea, mint tea. Yan, minty yan. So ayan yung kinokonsume namin. Ayan, yung tatay ko mahilig din yan mag-coffee. Yung favorite nila coffee, guys, is yung instant coffee, yung mga coffee ko, ayun. Pero ako naman, yung hilig ko na coffee is yung native coffee. Yung kami nang nag-process, binili namin yung whole beans, tapos sinangag at giniling. So ayun, yung favorite ko. Ayun. So, at minsan naman, pag wala yung native coffee, yung stick lang. Yung isang stick ng coffee. Ayun. So, kasi hindi ako mahilig sa matamis na coffee. So, ayan. Salang na natin. Ayan, guys. Salang na natin. At ito yung aking background today. So actually, sunrise yan. Ang ganda ng kulay ng langit. Hindi lang nakita kasi yung camera ay nakaharap. Mamaya-maya ay ipatalikod ko yung camera. Kasi ipatalikod nga natin. Ayan, nakatalikod na yung ating camera. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay ng langit. Hi, Gianna! Gianna, look at that! Did you see that, Gianna? Look! It's beautiful! The clouds! Did you see the clouds in the sky? So, ayan. Nilalamig ang bata. Nilamig ka, Day? Malamig, Day? Oh, ayan. Dito tayo.
Ay, hindi ka rin yung buluyan. Patay, buluyan namin.
Kano?
Buluyan namin ano.
Kadali may wad to.
Ang gani. Ano sa magigikan?
And here, ito yung binalatan namin kagabi. Mga 9:40 na kami nag-stop. Nagsimula kami nito kagabi, mga 6:45. 6:45 in the evening kami nagbalat. At nag-stop kami 9:40 PM. So ito yung balat niya. Ito yung mga maliliit. Ayan. At ito pa yung nabalatan na iba. At ito pa ang natira. Hindi pa nangalahati tayo. So, 2% pa lang. 2% pa lang ang nabalatan natin. At dito ko kayo itutur sa ating mga pananim. So, ayan, ang mga pananim na to ay itinanim noong first year of pandemic. So, kalahati. I mean, first year of pandemic. So, I think after 6 months, 6 months ay nakapag-decide kami na magtanim. So, ito na. Ayan. So, actually ay magwa 1 year na. Oh, 1 year na. 1 year na pala itong mga saging na to. Kasi nagsimula kami first year of pandemic. So, ngayon, it's ay malapit ang mag 1 year pala yung mga saging na to. So, malapit nang mag 1 year. October bata or this month. Yeah. So, ito na. And thanks God na grabe napaka-healthy nila. Ayan guys, ay wala kaming masabi. Wala kaming masabi sa sa mga tanim na to dahil sobrang taba nila. Thanks God. Thank you God. Yan. You see? So you see? You see that? It's beautiful, right? Yeah. Yan. So, ito yung munting bahay namin. Okay. Ganyan ang bahay namin. Pero, yung mga nagagawa namin ay, basta, yun na. So, ito na yung aming init. How you like that? How you like that? How you like that? How you like that? Dai, dance or sing? Sing B? Sing B? Sing B? Sing B? Sing. Sing ba? Sing ba? Sing B, sing ba? Oh, look at that. The chicken. They woke up early. Ayan, ang naghahanap ng pagkain nila. Sana all ganyan ang tao, 'di ba? Ayan ang sipag nila. Umaga pa lang. Naghahanap na ng pagkain. Ayan, si mga babies. Oh, 'di ba? Apay, kanado niyan manok? Apay! Kanado niyan yung manok? Nginang tubaon na madaging piso. Hindi ko kilala kung amin ba yan. Nagtatanong pa ako sa tatay ko. Apa yan naman, o ka na to? Ay, hindi pala. Sa kapitbahay pala namin yan na manok, guys. Hindi pala sa amin yan. Yung mayroong, yung angkan. Yung may malaki at hindi, ang kwento po kasi niyan, yung manok na yan, dito nang iitlog. Dito nang iitlog sa amin. So, syempre, ay hindi namin naman pwede nakawin yung egg nila. Ayan, ay hinayaan namin. Siguro mga 6 piraso yung egg. Mga 6 piraso yung egg ay dito pa rin siya umiitlog, kaya ni-report ng tatay ko sa may-ari. At binigay, dinala yata yung itlog doon sa bahay. Pero hindi pa rin umalis dito kahit wala na yung itlog dito sa sa bahay. Ay kumulo Super ganda. Love that clouds. And of course, there, behind the house. Lovely. And here. And this is Mati. Mati area. This one. Okay, so, ayan. Ganda ng clouds. Yan. Wow. Fantastic. Lovely. Yan. Mga tanim. Mga tanim nandyan. Yan.
Naglinya. Uy, asa na mo? Asa na mo? Mga nagaribite. Aribite.